Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're just getting into tax preparation, one of the smartest things you can do is to know which returns to take on and which ones to leave alone. Let me walk you through it. Start with basic individual returns. A W-2 wage earner, maybe with some investment income on a 1099, standard or itemized deductions, and common credits like the child tax credit or the earned income credit. These are your bread and butter. They're straightforward, they're high volume, and they're where you build your confidence and your client base. Once you're comfortable with basic individual returns, go ahead and add on simple Schedule C filers. These are self-employed individuals, sole proprietors, freelancers, gig workers. They got business income and expenses that need to be reported. The complexity goes up a notch, but the fees go up too. A basic W-2 return might bring in $150, $250. A Schedule C return can easily be $300, $400 or more. After that, you can start taking on clients with rental properties, which means Schedule E. Then small business returns like single member LLCs and S-Corps filing Form 1120S. Each step up in the complexity means higher fees and stickier clients, because once someone finds a preparer who handles their business returns well, they don't leave. So what should you avoid in your first season? Well, definitely partnerships with complex allocations, multi-state returns with tricky apportionment, clients with foreign income or FBAR filing complications, estates and trusts, anything involving back taxes or IRS disputes. These aren't forever off limits, but they require knowledge and experience you probably don't have yet. Taking them on too early puts your clients at risk and puts your reputation on the line. There's no shame in saying, I'm just not the right person for this yet. The best preparers I know built their practices by doing common returns really well, then expanding as their skills grew. That's a progression we teach at MuseSpring. Start with what you can handle, build your skills, and level up over time. Check us out at MuseSpring.com. And as a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. If you have a specific legal or tax question, make sure you talk to a qualified professional about your situation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.